Welcome, Wolfpack. Today is the day 13. Day 13 of my Zero to Sovereign journey. Leg 2, Koh Samui, Thailand. Today I'm doing a room tour for you, another room tour. But before I do that, I wanted to give you a little bit of background because this is kind of a special property in a way. My very good friend Steve, he lives down the road here. And 25 years ago, me and Steve came up here when it was nothing more than some coconut trees and grass, right? And he bought the land. In fact, I don't even think the paperwork was finished on it, right? And me and Steve came up here. We used to rock about, yeah? When I lived on Koh Samui, right? So me and Steve came up here with some rebar, iron poles, and some rope. Right, and we literally spent the entire afternoon sweating our nuts off, banging in poles and where his land perimeter was, right? We were setting up what he'd just bought. And 25 years later, this is the resort he built. And it's essentially a bunch of houses surrounding a communal pool. Now, Steve's so cool, and because Paul had insisted, now what's interesting here, is my main man Paul from the Irish bars, right? He's renting this property off my main man Steve, right? Anyway, and this is the spare room that I'm getting to stay in. Now, because Steve's so cool, right? He's hooked me up with his car because Paul said he wouldn't allow me to do a motorbike here because I'm too valuable and it's too risky. So, bless old Steve, look, he's hooked me up with a car for the remainder of the time I'm here, which is about 2 weeks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a look around, house tour, right? And I want you to bear in mind that if I was paying for this, it would be, I'm sharing with Paul's brother, right? We moved in on the same day, right? His name's Gavin. So me and Gavin are living here. And if I was paying, which I will be, but not for the next couple of weeks, because Paul is like a proper geezer, right? Be about 250 sheets to about 270 sheets. So he's talking about $350, about 250 pounds sterling. So that's what we're talking about here, right? So let's have a look. And I'll switch the camera around. Okay, so let's start from outside again. There's the car I'm getting to use while I'm here that Steve's leasing me. There's a gym area here, which is pretty cool. I might have a little play. And we've got the pool as well, which is nice. It's perfect temperature as well. So these are the properties that go all the way around. So like I say, there seems to be 1, 2, 3. And there's 1, 2, 3 there. So my one's this one. This is called Palm View. So this is where I'm staying. So you've got table and chairs outside. So you've got my office here. I've squinched up the sofa and the coffee table just because I'm using that plug socket. I need to go to the DIY store, which I'll be going tomorrow with a good friend of mine, Eddie. Eddie came to see me the other day. So we'll go to the DIY store. I'm going to get extension cable. So that's my office. Whoop. TV. So there's some artwork on the wall. Now, theoretically, these are normally not particularly furnished, yeah? Some of Gavin's stuff here from his last property. Like I say, we moved in the same time, about 3 days ago. So we're still getting stuff together. I've got my temporary travel towel here, for example. So we need to get that figured out. So kettle. The only issue I've got is that they're all 2-pin sockets here. And my kettle that I bought with Paul and Gavin's toaster are all 3 pins, we can't plug them in. But I do have an adapter that's for my laptop. So I switch it out of there, boil the tea, put it back again. So downstairs toilet. And then that's just like an electric cupboard. So we don't need to worry about that. Again, looking back out from here, this is what I see. Got my table and that. There's my car. Thank you, Steve. And thank you, Paul. So we'll go upstairs then. So bear in mind, there's 2 rooms up here. One of them's Gavin's, one of them's mine. Now, the only difference between the 2 is that Gavin's has got the balcony at the front. and he's here long term, so it's only right that he's in that one. So this is my room then. I kind of put the bed back roughly to how it is. You got the old banner thing on there and all that business, right? So my sabbatical bug out suitcase. So yeah, this is me. Like I say, Gavin's room's there. I've got a few of my bits unloaded, some shirts and things, nothing major. I need to do a bit of laundry as well. I've got about 4 days worth of underwear left, so there's me. You'll notice I'm in the Rembrandt robe of reflection and revelation. So, shower, toilet, shower, toilet, as you'd expect. And this is my bedroom. So what do you reckon? Let me know your thoughts in the description. And I do hope you're sharing my videos so people get an idea of what you get in Thailand for about £260 a month, and you'll get an idea of why I'm here. And when I talk about the burn rate compared to the UK, yeah, there's no way I'm getting anything for £250 a month. And even if I could, because I have no full-time job or references or anything like that, then I wouldn't be, they wouldn't rent it to me anyway, even if I had the money. So, absolutely ideal, perfect for what I want, yeah. And I've spent the last couple, I think 3 nights I've been here now. So today, as I say, is the 13th day of my journey. It's the 22nd of January. And so I'm leaving Koh Samui on the 4th of February. So I've got another couple of weeks here. So I made good use of the car. Eddie's coming to see me tomorrow. He came around the other day. When Steve came up to see me when I first got here, we went back down to his house down the road at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I got back at 4:30 in the morning. 13 hours me and Steve were chatting about Bidney. So I'm super glad to be back home, Koh Samui, where I belong. Thank you to Paul, thank you to Steve. Lovely to see you as well, Eddie. And this is me, Koh Samui, day 13, room tour, Palm View, where I'm staying and chilling.
Reject the herd, prepare the pack. Click the like button, it's as easy as that. Check the description for the links you need. Follow my socials, subscribe to my feed. From a single lone woman to a family of 5. Learn from Sigma Prepper and see how you can thrive. We understand the risks that tomorrow could bring. We adapt and survive, it's a wolf pack thing. Reject the herd, prepare the pack. Click the like button, it's as easy as that. Check the description for the links you need. Follow my socials, subscribe to my feed.